Hello everyone, welcome once again to LangFort International Academy. I'm Nigel and we are back with another role play. The setting for the day is quite unique, and that too it's at the blood donation camp wherein a youngster has come here for the very first time. So obviously he's a bit nervous and he has certain concerns. So the nurse is going to try to answer all his queries and definitely give him the needed assurance as well. So without any further delay, let's straight away move on to the video.
LangFort International Academy, your passport to the world of opportunities.
Good morning, my name is Anne and I am the nurse in charge of the camp today. May I know your name?
Oh, you can call me Nigel.
Oh, hello Nigel. So how can I assist you today?
Well, I just heard about this blood donation camp that is going over here, and I'm quite interested to do a blood donation. So that's the reason why I'm here.
Well, I'm glad that you're here for the donation there. But you seem to be a little nervous. Is this your first time?
Well, that's true. It's the very first time, so I'm a bit worried and I'm also a bit apprehensive about this entire thing.
Well, that's all right, Nigel. It's perfectly natural to be feeling a little nervous being it your first time there. But before I proceed, I would like to acknowledge and appreciate you for the willingness and decision to donate blood there. And I hope you're aware that this action of yours can save many lives. Doesn't it sound amazing?
Yeah, it sounds great.
Right.
That's true.
All right. So before I address your concerns and tell you more about the process there, can I ask you some questions?
Yeah, feel free. Ask me anything.
All right. So did you get the information pamphlet from the reception?
Yeah, I did get it and I did go through it thoroughly.
All right. So tell me, Nigel, in your own words, what do you know about the blood donation there?
So from what I understood is that any person who is healthy between the age category of 18 to 60 can donate blood.
Yeah.
He or she should be at least 50 kgs of weight and should have taken at least some food at least 2 hours prior to the donation.
Exactly.
Should be properly hydrated and should have gotten at least 6 hours of continuous sleep.
Yeah, I appreciate your understanding, and may I confirm that you're prepared for it today?
Yeah, I just made sure that everything is spot on.
Well, that's perfect, Nigel. So right now I would like to give you some more information about the criteria that is necessary to become eligible for the donation. Shall I do that for you?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, so we will be checking your hemoglobin level, your blood pressure and the pulse, right? If your hemoglobin level is less, then you will not be able to donate.
Okay.
Right? Well, that's going to be the same with your blood pressure and pulse. If there is any distinct difference from the ideal range, then going forward with the donation is not recommended. Are you with me?
Yeah, I do get what you're saying. So you mean to tell me if that something is not right with my blood levels and all those things, that means I would not be able to donate. So is this a lifelong thing that I won't be able to donate blood again?
Well, that is a reasonable query, but I would like to clarify that for you. If the vitals are irregular and your hemoglobin level is quite low, then you will have to wait for some weeks. Okay. And we would also inform you that you check with a general practitioner just to find out there's no underlying reasons for the change there. Once that is clarified, then you're good to go for the donation. So are you happy with that?
Yeah, I'm okay with that.
All right. Do you have any questions at this point?
Yeah, so could you just tell me how much time would it actually take for this entire procedure to be over, and how much blood are you actually going to extract?
Well, the time would be just 5 to 10 minutes there, and the volume that would be extracted would be around 350 ml. And I'd like to add as well, that is the blood that is extracted will be replaced within 48 hours by your body. Okay. Does that sound good?
Yeah, that sounds great.
All right. Right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to brief you with the next steps there. You will be given a questionnaire and a consent form that you would have to sign at the end. Once you do that, you would be directed to the screening booth to check your vitals, to make sure that you're fit for the donation. And once that is done, then you would be taken to the donation area where the blood will be collected. How does that sound?
Yeah, I think seems quite clear to me.
All right. So once the donation is done, you would be directed to the recovery room where you would be provided some refreshments. You can have a snack, drink some water, and make yourself a little at ease, rest, and make sure that you're feeling really well before you leave.
Okay.
Will you be able to do that?
Yeah, definitely I'll be able to do that.
All right. So I'm going to give you some instructions what you should follow once you get back home. Shall I do that for you?
Obviously you can do that.
All right. So when you get back home, I want you to hydrate yourself with a lot of water, right? And see that you are not getting yourself into any strenuous activities like lifting heavy weights or vigorous exercises for the rest of the day. Would you be able to do that?
Yeah, I think I can manage that as well.
Right. By the way, if you feel any kind of discomfort, do not
Okay.
hesitate to call us.
All
Will you
right.
do that?
Yeah, if I feel any kind of discomfort, I'll definitely get back in touch with you.
Oh, that's great. So, do you have any other questions?
Oh, nothing at all. Everything is crystal clear.
All right. So, I hope I have cleared all your queries.
Okay.
Do you feel better now?
I'm feeling very much better.
Okay, I'm glad that I was able to help you today. So, this is the questionnaire that you would want to complete,
Okay.
like fill in, and the consent form there,
Okay.
right? Once you're done, I will direct you to the screening booth there. Yeah, and you'll be good to do the donation there.
All right.
Everything is going to be fine.
Okay.
Right? So take your time, fill it up, and I will see you soon.
Okay, thanks a lot, nurse.
Thank you. So that's the end of the role play there, and I hope you really enjoyed it. Nigel has got something to say.
Yeah, I mean, today's role play, the scenario is actually very close to me. I mean, I really treasure it because it's all about blood donation, and I'm a voluntary blood donor. And especially due to the pandemic situation, many people are really apprehensive about this entire blood donation. So let me tell you something. Whenever you do blood donation, you are not just saving one single life, you end up saving multiple lives, because blood is not just one single component. It is kind of like divided into multiple things like plasma, like red blood cells, white blood corpuscles, and all those things. And that would actually end up saving multiple lives. So I would definitely urge you, if you are a healthy individual, please do donate your blood, and also create awareness among your friends so we can actually save multiple lives.
Well, thank you so much, Nigel, and donate blood and save lives.
Okay, right.
So if you did like the video, please let us know. Comment in the comment
So do not
box
forget
there.
to post your comments in the comment section, and besides that, do not forget to like, subscribe and share.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.